All right, so today we are going to do worksheet number 34. There are a few questions that we didn't do last week. Basically, question 9 and 10. Then after that, we will go into worksheet number 35, this week's worksheet. So as you can see, right, we are going into something called the mock papers already. So all these are considered mock papers. You are supposed to be able to handle all of these type of questions so that it can better prepare you for your end of year exam. All right, I believe you also got your exam date already, right? All right, so the school holidays is over. I believe today is Wednesday, right? You all should have gotten your end of year exam date. So some of you are having, no, not yet lah, Jensen. Right, some of you are having your end of year exam in the end of September even. Right, it's very fast one. End of September, I'm no kidding. Right, that means only got 20 days only. Right, then you're going to have your end of year exam ready. That's the reason why we need to have all this preparation. Okay, really, all this revision. We have finished our syllabus ready. Oh? All right, so children, let's take a look at worksheet number 34, question 9. Hello, Hushnan. Yeah lah, they say 2 weeks from now, right? Yeah lah, exam is 2 weeks from now, lor. All right, so it's very, very close already. All right, it's good to feel healthy, children. I feel good. Da, 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 da. Sorry. All right, in the figure, we have ST is parallel to PR. Look here. This is ST is parallel to PR. Okay? And QST is 105. Good. RPT is 35. Children, always read the paragraph, look at the diagram. Read the paragraph, look at the diagram. They also say that QS equal to ST. Yes, they give me this stroke. That means this is a what? Children, this green triangle is a isosceles triangle. All right, so remember isosceles, this is like the whiskers. All right, and this is like the ears of the mouse. All right, why do I always draw that? So that to remind myself that these two base angles are always equal. Can you see not? All right, I can see the what? I can see the Z rule over here. I can see do you see the Z rule? Do you see the Z rule? Which means down here is 35 degrees also. Can you see not? No, not there. Sorry, this one. All right, angle rate is 35 degrees. All right, okay. So don't get too excited. Let's see what the question wants. Let's see what the question wants first, Ken. Let's take a look. Stating your reasons clearly, find the following angles QPT. Where is QPT? QPT. Oh, down here, they're looking for this angle here. Can you see? Angle purple. Purple shaded. Children, can you see not? Can you see the F rule or not? All right, for example, this is the what? This is the parallel line, right? All right. Then, can you see not? This is like the F rule. This angle equal to this angle. What is this called? This is called corresponding angle, right? Correct. So, if this whole thing is 105 also, right? Can you see not? Can we easily find the purple shaded? Can. All right. Can you see that? Okay. So, let me go and find my purple shaded first. Okay, but before that, I need to declare the angle QPR, all right, angle QPR now here, all right, is actually what? Equal to 105 degrees. All right, the reason is corresponding angle, comma, who is parallel to who? You must declare. ST is parallel to PR. Okay? Once you declare that they are parallel and angle QPR is 105, then you can come to a conclusion. Angle QPT is equal to 105 degrees minus 35 degrees. And that should give you a 70 degrees. Are you following? This one, you don't need to have the reason. This one, you don't have to have the reason. All right, this one is okay. All right, those that got reason, you must write lah. Right, corresponding angle, alternate angle, all this must write, one must write. Okay, next. How do you find angle PTR? Where's PTR? Angle light blue, PTR. Oh, down here. OMG. Right, should be quite simple. How come? All right, if I can find this, all right, and this 35, I can use angle on the straight line, right? You see not? Right, because this portion is 180 degrees. This portion is 180 degrees. Correct or not? Correct. Okay, so let's go and use my isosceles triangle ruling to help me find first. Find the ears of the mouse. Remember the ears? This is like the ears of the mouse. Ready? So I can say that angle SQT is actually equal to angle STQ. Can you see not? The base of the isosceles triangle is the same, which is equal to 180 degrees minus the nose of the mouse divided by 2. Sure, it's a decimal, it's okay. It's a decimal, it's okay. Don't worry about it. All right, the decimal is not super complicated, right? All right, the decimal is actually quite easy to see. It's 37.5 degrees. All right, you're still following me, right? All right, so this is 37.5. This one is also 37.5. Cannot. Oh, sure. What's the reasoning? Very good. You must give a reasoning. This is called base angle of isosceles. Spell out the word triangle. All right, then you will know how to spell in future. Right, must write the reasoning. Question did say already. Even though question never say, you must also write, must write the reasoning one. Base angle of isosceles triangle. Next, you have to declare that this angle down here is 35 degrees. I know it's 35. I know, but I must declare it. You must tell your teacher. Your teacher don't know that you know. So you must say that angle PTS is equal to 35 degrees. Why leh? Why leh? Alternate angles. Remember the Z rule? Alternate angles declare ST is parallel to PR. All right, can you see the alternateness? Alternateness? Sorry. Alternateness? Can you see not? This is like the Z. This one is equal to this one. All right, the Z rule. Okay. So after you declare that it's 35 degrees already, then you can come to a conclusion. Angle PTR equal to 180 degrees because angle on a straight line minus your 37.5, the purple ear of the mouse, minus the 35 degrees, the alternate angle, that one. And therefore, your conclusion is equal to 107.5 degrees. And what is this called? This is called angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Right? Or some of you want to use what? Supplementary angle also can. Supplementary angle also can. All right, so down here is 107.5. Can you see that? So this is for part B. On top is for part A. All right, so whenever you got all this information, right, my advice to you is to put it in. So down here is 107.5. And now, what's the question looking for? Question is looking for angle green, PRT. PRT down here. Oh my goodness. Isn't that simple? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Can you see that down here is the sum of the angle of a triangle? Can? You can use the angle sum of triangle to assist you. So angle C, which is, so part C, angle PRT is equal to what? 180 degrees minus the 107.5 minus the given black 35. And your answer will be equal to 37.5. What is this called? This is called angle sum of triangle. Angle sum of triangle. Children, all this reasoning must write one. Right, you're no longer in primary 6. You're no longer in primary 6. You're Sec 1 already. Sec 1 must write. Please write it. You got no choice. You have to write it. Is that okay, children? Okay, must write. Even though the question never say, for example, the question never say, you still have to write. It's a known information that you have to write. No choice one. Just do it for your teacher. Just do it. You can do it. You can. Sorry. Hello, Sito. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome to lesson. La la, la la la. Sorry. All right, so this is the angle question from worksheet number 34. Let's go into question number 10 from worksheet number 34. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Let's go. Hey, how do you find the volume of this? Okay, but first, what is this shape? So weird, so ugly, I know, right? Generally saying, this is called a prism. Prism, not prism. prison, nobody asks you want to go prison or not, Prisium. And where is the area of cross-section? Where is the consistent area that is the same throughout? Can you see or not? Can you see that the top portion is a what? This green color shaded, right? And the bottom portion, do you see this green color shaded? It's actually the same thing, right? Can you see or not? So this is actually called the what? This is actually called the cross-section. And the cross-section is made up of a, you are very correct, it's a trapezium. La la la. La 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 la. It's a trapezium. La la la. Can you see that? So how do you get the trapezium? If you take a knife, right, and you slice from left to right, you keep slicing from left to right, ho 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 ho, like that. Oh, some dance move. All right, you slice like that, left to right, left to right. You keep on getting a trapezium. So this is actually called the what? The cross-sectional area or area of cross-section, because you keep getting the same thing. You keep getting the same trapezium. That is what you want. All right, and area of trapezium, right? If you still recall, all right, area of trapezium. All right, what is the formula? I don't know you all still remember or not. It's actually half times sum of parallel lines times the height. So this one, this trapezium, what is the parallel line? Can you see the parallel is the 20 and also the 10 cm? And the height down here, the height, height of the trapezium down here, can you see the 90? The height of the trapezium down here is the 10 cm. Okay? The second diagram, right, I purposely use it for my perimeter later. All right, I need my perimeter later. So basically the cross-section, right, the perimeter is 20, 10, 10, and down here the slanting part is 14. All right, later I need to find the perimeter. All right, because total surface area, right, oh, got some perimeter involved. Are you ready, children? Let's go and execute the question. How do you find the volume? Volume of a prism. Volume of a prism, what's the formula? It's actually the area of cross-section times what? Times the height. Right, height of prism. Height of prism. Okay? What is the area of cross-section? In this case, right, the area is a what? Trapezium. So it's half times what? Sum of parallel lines. What is the sum of parallel lines? It's basically 20 plus 10 times the height of the trapezium. The height of the trapezium is a 10. All right, this 10 is actually the height of the trapezium. Don't get confused with the height of the prism. All right, there are two different heights down here. So area of cross-section is made up of the area of trapezium, all right, which is half times sum of parallel lines times height, all right, height of the trapezium, times what is the height of the prism? The height of the prism is down here, can you see not? Right, down here. Right, this is the height of the prism. It's like how deep is it? How tall is it? How tall? All right. So this is actually the height of the prism. Right, must be able to visualize the diagram, which is a 10. All you got to do is to press your calculator. All right, after you press your calculator, you will get 150 down here times 10. And your answer will be 1500 cm cube. Answer. Woohoo! I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Can? And the next thing, how do you find the total surface area? What's the meaning of total surface area? Surface area, right, means the place you can touch. So you can touch the top portion, you can touch the bottom, you can touch the back, the front, the side, the back, and all this. Right, you can touch around. Right, so the total surface area, right, the formula given to you, if you remember, right, total surface area of prism. The formula is perimeter of cross-section. Perimeter of cross-section times what? Times the height of prism. Plus 2 area of cross-section. I explained to you how it works already. All right, I explained to you how it works already. All right, the formula. Very useful. How do you find the perimeter of cross section? Use this one to assist.